What's going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. We're out here in Orlando today. We're at Aquatica Orlando. That's a water park that they have here just across International Drive, across the road from SeaWorld. This is what the parking area looks like. The lot is not full yet. This is what general parking looks like. You can pay extra and get parking closer to the entrance, and it's $35 plus tax to park in the general parking area and $45 plus tax to park in VIP. We're gonna check out the water park, see what it's like, and bring you guys with us. We're gonna spend a day here at Aquatica. We're gonna spend a day here at Aquatica. This is just a part of our vacation here in Orlando. I believe they are owned by SeaWorld. They're just right across the road from there. Let's go check the water park out. We'll see what kind of rides they have and so on, and hopefully have a fun day. All right, let's go. I'm here with my wife and then my daughter, finding some way to cause some trouble. How much did we pay to get into Aquatica Orlando? We paid $75 plus tax. That's the option where you get a meal and drinks with your ticket. 75 times 2 would be $150 for 2 adults, and kids 2 and under are free. They do have parking attendants to help you out when you come in. They will direct you depending on whether you have general parking or VIP. We have general, so we parked pretty far out, as you can see. And we're just following the pathway here, which is marked for us to walk along to the main entrance where you show them your ticket and get in. I had the option to book my parking tickets online, and for that, with the general parking, it came up to $41 after tax and fees. I did research it and I saw some folks online saying it's better for you to come in person and pay for parking, which we did. And when we came, it actually cost us $37 after tax. So that's 35 plus, I believe, 6% tax. So that has been confirmed by me, at least. It's better for you to come in person, pay for parking, rather than buy it ahead of time, because they're charging you some fees. You would have thought that if you bought it ahead of time, it's cheaper for you, but it's actually not. So keep that in mind. And then I also had some people saying that when they came with their tickets that they bought online, the parking was full and they were unable to get in. Keep that in mind as well, that you might want to try to come early if you're coming to Aquatica, so that that doesn't happen to you. This is what the entrance area looks like. We're about to head inside, folks. This is the ticket booths. If you come here just on a whim and you want to buy a ticket, the tickets will be $112.99 per person for ages 3 and up. And then they do have 2 park tickets as well, and annual passes. They have annual passes for both SeaWorld and Aquatica together, as well as annual passes for just Aquatica on its own. Those will run you about $168 for just Aquatica, or $252 for both Aquatica and SeaWorld. When you head around here, this is where you would show your tickets to get in, and this is the main entrance right here. Just gotta find our tickets here. I bought it through RBC, right? Okay, I think I found it. Is there something I have to scan? Mm-hmm. No, they didn't give me a scanning thing.
You buy it online?
Yeah.
You wanna check your email?
This is my email. I bought it through my bank. I have an itinerary number, reference number.
A few moments later.
I purchased online, but I didn't get anything to scan. I have an itinerary number and supplier reference number.
Do you have an order number?
Order number? No.
Can I see what it did send you?
Hold on. I got it through my bank.
Try logging on to here and see if that helps anything.
Babe, can you go on there and log in with your RBC? Click see your itinerary. All right, go to your Avion account. Should be in my trips, huh? That's crazy. Like this RBC, wow, Jesus. Oh my God, it's not in here. Oh my God. This thing has been videoing the whole time. Well, peeps, we were unfortunately unable to get into Aquatica today because we had some issues with our tickets. We had tickets through RBC Avion Rewards, and for some reason, when you book through Avion Rewards, they send you an email where you have to go into their Avion app or Avion website to actually view the voucher. But RBC's app wasn't working, so we ended up having to call RBC, so we ended up spending spending like about 3 hours at the front of Aquatica Orlando with our 2 kids, which was unfortunate. After being transferred 5 times to different agents at RBC, we finally spoke to an agent who was able to see the vouchers on their end, screenshot it, so we have a barcode to show to Aquatica. We did have an issue with that park agent as well, because we had provided the voucher number to her earlier when it was provided to us, and she said that it wasn't valid. However, when we got the actual screenshots from RBC, it turned out the voucher numbers were valid, which means that she was potentially untruthful about that. Anyways, we made the supervisor on duty aware, and they were able to resolve the situation for us, so the supervisor here at Aquatica. In addition to that, we wasted the 4 good hours of the day where it was sunshine, and then now it started raining, so we weren't even able to use the park, so we ended up having to leave anyways. It's just a bad day all around. We'll try again some other time in the future to potentially see if we can get into Aquatica and check out the parks, show you guys around, show you the rides they have and so on. But this one is just a bust, guys. Started off pretty okay, but it's basically a waste of our payment for parking too, because it's $35 for just for general parking here at Aquatica, and then $45 if you had paid for VIP, and then if it rains, you know, you basically just lose that. So it is raining. I don't know if the rain's gonna stop. We'll probably do something else here in Orlando, check out Icon Park, something of the sort. Thank you guys for watching anyways. We appreciate you watching as usual. That's it from us here in Aquatica Orlando, right across the road from SeaWorld. I believe it's the same company that owns both of them, and some other attractions here in Orlando. Subscribe to the channel to see more review videos like this one. Well, this one wasn't even a review of anything, but we do review videos here on the channel: water parks, theme parks, hotel reviews, lifestyle, and so on. We'll see you in one of our next videos here in Orlando. Take care and peace out, guys. Cheers.
Feeling good, feeling great, 'cause I got a big old smile upon my face, and you can't take that away. Feeling good, feeling great, and I know today is going to be my day, and you can't take that away. You can't take that away.